Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Where you have, where you wouldn't willing forgive it, so that you could live forever. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, wait, pan, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what I go on right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 19 from verse 16 to verse 30. One man come to Jesus and ask him, say, what kind of good sitting me fi do so me can live forever? So Jesus said to him, say, when make you come and ask me about what good? Only one somebody about what good, you know. But if you want to live forever, keep the law them where God did give Moses. Which one of them? Him asked Jesus. So Jesus answered back, no kill, no sleep with nobody where you're not married to, no thief, no tell lie on people, respect your father and mother, and love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. So the young man said to him, say, me I follow them there with all of my heart. So what more me need? So Jesus said, if you want to be everything where God want you to be, go and go sell everything where you have and give the money to the poor people them, and you will reach in a heaven. When you do that, come follow me. But when the young man hear this, him heart drop and he go away sad, cause him did well rich. Then Jesus said to his special follower them, say, me tell you no this, and a true me attack. It a go well hard for rich people go in a God kingdom. Hear this to know? It easier for one camel go through one needle eye than for somebody we rich go in a God kingdom. Jesus follower them did well shock when them hear this. Them say, then who can get saved? So Jesus look upon them and say, what people can do, God can do. Cause nothing not there where God can do. Then Peter said to him, say, see, we left everything where we have to follow you. So where we are go get? So Jesus said to them, say, hear me now, and I chew me attack. When God make everything new again, and the man where God pick sit down upon him top throne, all I know where follow me, I go sit down upon you own a throne too. You know, I go sit down upon 12 throne, a judge Israel 12 tribe them. And anybody will left their yard, them brother, sister, father, mother, picnic, or them land, sake of me, them will get back 100 times more than what them did have. Plus, them are going to get to live forever too. But no for who they are front now, I go their back, and who they are back, I go there a front. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.